One of our favorite aspects about Corvus, and a big part of why 4 years ago we started talking with Corvus, is the fact that we don't have to manipulate these drones. They sit on their landing pad, they charge themselves, they fly themselves, they dock themselves. We don't touch the drones at all. The drones are flying overnight. We're getting a full inventory of the building every week. This technology really allows us to look and say, hey, we have these problems here. Why are we having these problems? Correct them before the shift starts, and then immediately go back and say, let's solve that problem.
We did not have to change anything about our existing workflow. We were able to just give the data needed. The Corvus team was able to handle the rest.
Implementing these drones, it was fast, it was easy, zero impact really on operations.
For the data integration has been entirely easy. We have our reports we're able to download. We're able to see if the team already made action on the items.
For us in third party, we are playing a game of tenths of percentages. We're not talking a 99% accuracy is good enough. We need to be 99.5, 99.8, 99.9 for these clients. And these drones are able to help us get that extra little decimal of a percentage, which means make or break in some of these contracts with business. The drones are actually able to tell us, hey, you have product A in a couple different locations. Let's consolidate that and move it to one, so you're not billing a client, but then we are more efficient in the warehouse.
For a busy 3PL like Staci, they care not only about cutting costs, which improves their margin, but also figuring out how to drive new revenue. And we're able to help them optimize their inventory and figure out the fast-moving versus slow-moving inventory, as well as save costs on cycle counting and inventory control.
The employee reaction to the drones was a good one. It was fitting to have a partner at night to make their job more efficient and faster to be able to give the best service to our clients.
We really wanted to find an innovative solution, a technology that is at the front lines of what can be done in the industry. And so Corvus has been an excellent partner as we look to improve our inventory accuracy throughout the network.